We're back with another video today.
Battle starts.
Warships, hopefully getting the dub, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Smash like, smash subscribe. Also make sure to go check out Nathan Raptor and KG Beanbag Warrior on TikTok and Twitch, Nathan Raptor and YouTube. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels and hope you guys enjoy. My goal is to get 1,000 likes and 100 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to set autopilot to here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Yeah. The ship is 4 guns. So there's a big splash.
Enemy destroyer detected.
There's a enemy cruisers over here.
Autopilot mode disabled. Autopilot mode enabled.
Concentrate on the designated target. Enemy cruiser detected.
Perfect shot, perfect shot. Come on, Animal. Hopefully that hits, hopefully that hits.
Torpedoes to starboard.
That's a perfect shot.
Torpedoes to starboard. We're hold below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Torpedoes direct front. Torpedoes direct front.
Oh my goodness,
Problem solved,
those
sir.
torpedoes just absolutely obliterated me. Come on, he's one shot, he's one shot. Yes.
Autopilot mode
Enemy
disabled.
Destroyer blown up.
That hit. That's a bad shot.
Our team has taken the lead.
No, it's on fire, my ship's on fire, my ship's on fire.
The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Just up, just so it better hit him. I'm dead. My HP is so low. That ship is so low. That's hitting him, and that's so much damage I just did. This ship is also so low. That ship is the lowest person I've ever seen. Yes. That's hitting him, and that's no. I don't know what the other weapon. That did not hit him. Both of them hit me. Yes, we won! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, we're going to be filming again tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed, smash like, smash subscribe. Bye.